having this golden chance to say something. One good afternoon to teacher and all of my dear friends. And today in this class, I want to say something about the unity and diversity of Nepal. As we all know, Nepal is a small landlocked country between two big countries, India and China. It is very small in area, but it is very rich in diversity. It is a multicultural, multi-religious, multilinguistic country. It has many diversities like cultural diversity, agricultural diversity, geographical diversity, climatic diversity, etc. Nepal is divided into three regions: hill region, mountain region, and Para region. If we want cold climate, we can go to mountain, and if we want hot climate, we can go to hill. In Nepal, we can have different types of foods, vegetables, culture, language, dress, etc. All the people of Nepal have their own identity. As there are many cultures, they have their own ornament, dance, song, language, etc. According to the census of 2068 class, there are 122 languages and 125 castes in Nepal. Nepal is also called the country of 4 castes and 36 subcastes. The national anthem of Nepal, Soyo Chuka Pulka Hame, also describes about the diversity of Nepal. In Nepal, we can have different types of fruits in Nepal, like in hill region, there are different types of circus fruits like orange, lychee, etc. In Thorai region, we can have mango and different types of crops. In mountain region, we have apple, like this kind of fruit we can have in mountain region. There are many natural diversities also. In Nepal, in mountain, we have different types of mountains. We can find many medicinal herbs. In Thorai, we can see plain land. Though also having this much diversity, the people of Nepal have a sense of unity and brotherhood. The people do not fight each other with their diversity. Also having this much diversity, all the people of Nepal have the feelings of brotherhood into each other. So I am very proud to be Nepali. Thank you.